One of the biggest changes in Page Builder is that we have replaced the Foursquare icon with plus icon, and now if you want to add any kind of design, you should click plus icon. And here you can see that these blocks are available here. From My Learning, you can add the elements and components from your courses, live sessions, bundles and products. Here you can see we have following designs here. This one is the list of your video courses, slideshow version. This is dark themed, and again with dark themed and slideshow part. Here you can choose design templates from our suggested list. Please note that this is not connected with theme change, because this is like the element from the design. And also we have features, elements, call to actions, team members, FAQ question designs, forms, pricing part, and login register buttons. Let's add, for example, pricing part, and you are editing it the same way. We haven't changed this. If you want to change this text, you should click on the element, change whatever you want.